multi-point inspection. Starting off, the biggest and really only actual concern is the CV boot, and it's leaking grease. As you can see, it's kind of flung up here, you got it up there, and on this other side you can really see this is the tie rod end. So it's been compromised. It's either a rip or it's getting past that band. But what that usually means is about time for a new CV axle. So you get this hole, goes from that gray boot right there down to here, and they just replace that. And other than that, everything else looked good. He did have to cross-rotate your tires. So this is the front right, or the passenger front side of your vehicle. He rotated that tire to that side, and then that side's tires right there, and it'll go back on over here for wear purposes. But otherwise, as you can see here, I mean, brakes look good. You can still see the tunnels through there, which is good. Everything else looks really good. He just got done with the services, the B13. So if you have any questions, you can get with your service advisor. Otherwise, we appreciate you bringing your vehicle into us. I hope you have a good rest of your day.